let's talk about turning that mountain of paper receipts into clean, organized data. Okay, we've all been there, right? The overflowing shoebox. It's a total nightmare, especially at tax time.
Yeah, accountants, business owners, and anyone filing a claim knows this pain all too well.
But what if you could just skip all that manual typing? There's a much, much easier way.
And here it is, receiptcsv.com. It turns that paper mess right into usable data.
The best part? It's so simple. No accounts, no subscriptions, and nothing to install. You literally go from a messy folder of photos to a clean spreadsheet. Just like that.
So how does it work? Well, it's just 4 simple steps. Let's break it down. It's super straightforward. You upload, the data gets extracted, you pay, and then you download. Done.
And you can do a lot at once, up to 200 receipts in a single go.
It also handles all the usual file types, so you don't need to worry about converting anything.
And the results? You get one single organized CSV file, super clean and ready to use. It automatically pulls out all the important stuff: merchant, date, total. This kind of automation is a huge time saver. We're talking up to 85%. So let's compare. Instead of hours of boring, error-prone typing, you're just waiting a few minutes. The pricing is totally straightforward. You just pay for what you actually use. No surprises.
They've even got a cost estimator, so you know the exact total before you even pay. It's a small base fee for up to 40 receipts, then a tiny bit for each extra one. And what about privacy? Well, there are no accounts, and your files are not stored long-term.
Plus, payments are handled by Stripe, a leader in security, so your info is safe.
So who's this for? Accountants, small business owners, freelancers, really anyone drowning in receipts.
So why does all this matter? It's simple. This gives you your time back.